Hello, my name is Tina Gote Santiago, and this is my Education Leadership Portfolio Defense for FELS Standard 7, Building Leadership Enterprise. Effective educational leaders cultivate, support, and develop others, school leaders, to promote the academic success and well-being of all students. This includes sustainable school improvement that's dependent on distributing leadership and ownership through collaboration, a shared vision, and guiding instructional and cultural growth. When teachers feel empowered and trusted, they are more likely to remain engaged and contribute meaningfully to the school's success. How do you empower others? You have to cultivate leadership in others through ownership and investment that directly benefits the student. By creating opportunities for staff to lead professional development sessions, instructional teams, and school-wide initiatives, you can also focus collaboration with planning and access to resources that build confidence and skills. This is like sharing the climate survey results and identifying ways to improve them. You can also promote the shared decision-making, investing in teachers letting them be part of the conversation about the curriculum, the assessments, and overall school improvement. And you can support professional learning goals and encourage the staff to pursue leadership pathways by attending conferences and joining professional organizations. How will you recognize and encourage leaders in your staff? This can be done through professional development, coaching, mentoring, and feedback. Again, through the shared collaboration and the decision-making. While you're developing your school improvement plan and you're reflecting on the climate survey, using all of the information to come together with solutions on how to achieve the district goals or the school's goals. You can also professional learning communities. You're aligning your school goals by identifying champions for new initiatives. So when you have a school improvement plan, you can identify who's going to focus on those things. And then overall, it develops school-wide improvement. You're planning ahead and you're empowering your staff to take the lead. With intentional observation and identifying staff strengths, you can recognize those who demonstrate the initiative, creativity, and commitment to support student success. Thank you so much, and this is my reference. Have a good day.